What is up, y'all? Market just opened and it is Tuesday. Yesterday was a bank holiday, so we didn't upload anything. And you're gonna see me uploading every single day from today because my weekly goal is to post 6 YouTube videos, and I'm gonna be banging out uploads every single day. And boom, we are on our what the fuck? We are on our last Fanet account before. Yeah, I mean, if I can't pass the account as I told y'all, I'm gonna be taking a break and shit like that, you know. So this is the last Fanet account, and we need to pass this account. So we are going to be really careful, picky, wait for nice displacement confirmation. This is something that I actually implemented. Let me pull it up. So I made up new rules before I take a trade. I need a confirmation, no matter what type of confirmation that is. This is whether displacement, IVG, whatever. And yeah, I only can entry after the confirmation. High time frame and mid time frame need to align, and pretty much that's it. Those are the main points, right? And we are trading right now. It is Tuesday. It is setting up perfectly, literally perfectly for a long towards all-time highs. This is NQ. We have literally almost equal highs, the relative equal highs right here, which is all-time high. And if you know, all-time highs, boom, just long, you know. We are also retraced. We have retraced into this 50-minute gap right here, 30-minute gap, and as you can see, boom, we are starting to build this trend right here. Pump, retrace into 30-minute gap, pump. Now we retrace into 30-minute gap. What do we expect? Pump, right? So now I'm literally looking. Is higher time frame really bullish? Yep. What about mid time frame? Super bullish if you end up like flipping right here. This would be perfect. ES is the only thing that is I'm kind of afraid of, because look at this. We are literally dumping on ES towards the new week opening gap, and we also have this low right here. So, and we are respecting the 4-hour gap on ES. On NQ, we are literally about to inverse it if we keep pushing higher. So I don't know what to do. I think, like, I'm just gonna speak out my thoughts. I think we are gonna take out any draw on ES lower. For example, like either this draw and then we put in SMT and then this pushes us higher towards all-time highs, or we are literally gonna dump, take out the new week opening gap, and just slowly, without any volume, we are gonna go and take out all-time highs over, I don't know, PM session, and then Asia, London, and etc. Right? So yeah, not pretty sure what we are gonna do, but that's why we are reactive and we do not predict anything. Just gonna wait and see what we actually are able to give. So anything on the higher time frame you can retrace into inverse pretty much all of this bearish structure on the 1 hour right here. I mean, this is actually looking so good, man. Like if you get an SMT, where is this? If you get a big SMT like this, and then NQ starts pumping, and we get like 2 candles that close right here, I would literally take this trade. This is like the perfect trade. Risk 1k, because on this account it's a 50k alpha 0. I have 1k daily loss limit, so yeah. By the way, as you can see, this is a fresh account. Boom, 50k, alpha 0. It has a 1k daily loss limit, so I cannot risk the full account. So I gotta pass this account in like at least 3 days, maybe. Like, depends on the risk reward ratio, right? Yeah. And by the way, my giveaway is still running until the end of the month. And on top of that, even though the 50% sale is over now, and if you couldn't get any accounts or you need still something to buy, there's still a 25% sale right now running on Alpha Futures until the end of the month. And as you can see, if you want to support me or any other influencer, you can do that. But if you want to support me, code down below, as you can see. And yeah, the giveaway is still running. Okay, now this is the fun part. ES actually took out this major low right here from Asia or London. I think, yeah, that's London. We took out this London low on ES, and now we even put in this big SMT. So I'm actually expecting some bullish price action right now. Like, ES can still go lower and take out the new week opening gap, but NQ won't even come close to this low. So yeah, I'm still really bullish on pretty much both assets. I just want to see both of them correlate. And also, even one of my tasks, you guys know, every single day I have a few needle movers, 5, 6, or 7, like the main things that bring me forward. And I actually wanted to log in on this account. And one of my tasks today is literally to wait for a 5-minute displacement, like a displacement candle towards the drawn liquidity on the 5-minute. And this is good. This is a displacement candle towards a draw on the 5-minute, but not in the direction I want, right? And we like this is the exact candle that I want to see to the upside. This is on ES right here, 5-minute candle. This is really good displacement, as you can see. This is perfect. And now we actually ended up sweeping this low, and we are pushing higher. Perfect. 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 This is ideal for me. I would want to wait for the 5-minute inverse though, because if we are gonna if I need to wait for the 5-minute displacement, I would need to see us shooting back higher. And if we are gonna make the gap in the next 2 minutes, this one right here, in order for the next candle to be a displacing candle, we gotta inverse this. You gotta inverse this. I'm gonna play a stop like this, I think. And yeah, target. Yeah, this would be great if the next 5-minute candles goes up, inverses the gap while respecting those 50-minute gaps. This would be literally perfect. Or at least respecting this 30-minute, because as you can see right here, we ended up going lower to tap this 30-minute, but on the way down we inverse those 50-minute gaps. So the same could apply here, but as of right now, not seeing anything. Yes. As ES turned more bullish. How is this even possible? Like this is something that I see a lot of the times, and it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Now ES is more bullish, but it doesn't matter because it is so far away from all-time highs. It doesn't even matter. This is also a good retrace candle on the 1 hour. This is exactly what we needed after like 3, 4, 5 bullish candles in a row. This is good. I like this. I actually like this. And also, if you keep this low unmitigated, kind of like if you don't sweep this low, we have a failure swing right here. Tap the rejection wick. This is setting up so nicely for a long. This is literally perfect. 5 more minutes to close on the 15 minutes as well. Like literally almost 1, 2, 3, 4 equal highs as all-time highs. This can't go better. This can't go better. 5 minutes. So now we have this 5-minute gap. I just want to see us pushing through it. I'm gonna if we actually inverse this gap, I'm just gonna I think entry with like 14 micros right here and play exactly this stop loss to get a free risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna risk 1k, and if I can get this setup right here, I'm really confident that we are gonna go to all-time highs, and I'm gonna be able to pass my account in literally one trade, which would be nice. I would go break even on this high right here, and I would start trailing really aggressively after we take out all-time those highs right here. If we take out those highs right here, I'm gonna be trailing really fast, and I actually like the movement, so I'm gonna hop on TraderWeight. I'm gonna switch the recording to TraderWeight because there's faster data. So as you can see, we got TraderWeight right here on the main screen, and also on the second screen I still have TradingView just to kind of calculate the position and everything, and it looks literally perfect. It looks really good to go higher. I like this a lot. I'm not gonna like jump the gun already. I just want to see how we behave on the 5 minutes. It seems like we are gonna inverse this gap right here. Oh, you can literally. Okay, this is. I guess like this is the IFEG. We could also let's mark out those highs because I think it is easier. to see then. Boom, around this level right here. I think this is perfect. 50 minutes, actually flipping bullish now, which is insane. 1 minute. I would love to see a retrace like into, yeah, 889 would be literally perfect. 889, 889. Stops right here. Yeah, we are pumping like crazy. I like this. I hope you don't take our break-even point. But this looks really, really nice. This is exactly what I want to see. Basically on the 1 minute, I marked out that I wanted to entry here. Okay, so if you like, this was my initial entry that I marked out at the start, if you guys remember. Something like this. But yeah, I'm still gonna be waiting. I don't care. I'm gonna be waiting for my setup. Okay, now we took the internal high. I guess, bro. Like, I don't know. Maybe this was the mistake waiting for the 5 minute inverse and just, yeah, like, I could have taken the 1 minute inverse, and it's not about the inverse. I don't know. I keep saying inverse even though I don't even use those inversions, you know? I don't use IFVGs. I don't care about them. I literally don't care about IFVGs. The whole reason behind the idea of this trade is displacement, and this was perfect displacement. This is exactly what I want to see. Literally go lower, put in, we manipulated off open, so we got the Judas swing, we got the SMT, InQ is more bullish, we are respecting higher time frame, mid time frame, everything is screaming to go higher, so I only need an entry now. I know we wanna take out all-time highs, so only thing I need is an entry. Only thing I need is an entry. So yeah, 14 micros are good, I think. So we are about to close in the 5 minutes. Really aggressive. Like, this is insane. This is the displacement. Hands down, this is the perfect displacement that I needed. And now it is time to wait for another retrace. This time I'm fine with taking a limit order because I think we have already enough confirmation that we want to take out all-time highs. Because what did we do? We failed to go lower, put in a failure swing, manipulated on an ES, started pumping really crazy. And for me, the confirmation was this 5-minute close right here. With how bullish we inverse this bearish fair value gap, with how crazy this displacement is, with how we are respecting the 30-minute gaps right here, the 50-minute gaps. Like, we came all the way down here and still ended up respecting this tiny gap on the 50-minute, which is so crazy to think. This is literally setting up for the best trade ever. I think this was kind of the trade that I should have taken. If I'm gonna be honest, but yeah, I'm fine. I'm really patient. I told myself today's task was wait for the 5-minute displacement, and if you don't wait for the candle closure, you don't know whether the 5-minute is gonna displace or not, right? So if you don't wait for the full closure, there is like, you can't see what happens in the last minute. You know, you don't know whether we're gonna reverse and keep going lower off here. You know, so I followed what I was supposed to do today. I waited for the 5-minute displacement, and if I don't get the entry, I'm fine. I'm super fine with that. Of course it's annoying, of course, but what do you want to do, right? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I think getting like if you get a retrace into this area right here around the previous high, internal high, kinda, this order block, this fair value gap right here, I would be fine to entry there. But it doesn't seem like you want to retrace. We literally keep pumping. This is insane, bro. This is insane. I actually gotta kind of detach from the computer because I feel a lot of FOMO. Even though I say it's okay, I still feel emotions, feel feelings. So I'm just gonna roll back, just chill and continue the recording whenever we get a retrace or we take out all-time highs. I hope I don't do any bullshit. Pray for me. Okay, what the fuck are we doing? We are displacing like crazy. Wait, I gotta check something. I'm down to entry here with a bigger stop, like let's say 9 contracts. If we get one more push lower, I'm gonna entry. If this next candle like taps something like this, I'm down to. Actually, I told myself I gotta wait for confirmation. I'm not gonna limit anything or do anything stupid. ES already tapped the 5-minute gap. This is like a crazy candle. I don't know where this came from. This is weird. So I guess, bro. I guess, bro. There's no way, man. There's no way. This is the confirmation, right? How do I get the seconds chart? I need the 15-second chart. Close 966. Where's 966? Yeah, I guess. I can. Can I hold to like 30k? I mean, let's see. Let's see. Did we tap the 5 minutes? We did not. We actually did not tap the 5 minutes. So I can't lie. I think if we are gonna do this, I'm just gonna keep holding and go break even somewhere if we are gonna inverse this gap, because this is lots of confirmation for me. But play maybe a little bigger stop. Something like, yeah, I think this is fine. This is fine. Let's see. I mean, I don't mind if you want to run lower. I don't mind this at all. But why is the next candle not opening? I don't mind at all. So yeah, if you can retrace one more time, sweep out this low right here, and then like get a 15-second IPG, CISD, any displacement, I would love to take that. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Oh, you're actually dumping. What the fuck? I'm so glad I waited for it. I'm so glad I didn't jump in. Nice. Nice. Finally. For once, I feel good. Tap the 5 minute. Let's see. Now I gotta see how we behave on the 15-second. Like if you can inverse this gap 942, I'm actually gonna entry. Wait. This is my Discord, by the way, guys. If you want to move in, I post here daily. People are writing, chilling. So yeah. How much? 17 micros. What the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna entry. Oh, what the fuck? I don't use my G Pro. So in with 18 micros, 17 micros right here. Stop loss gonna go under this low. Sell stop. And sell limit is at the 30,000 psychological level. Sell limit. Boom. So I'm gonna go break even and we take out those internal highs. So we are literally in this trade right here. This is not the 1 minute. This is actually the 1 minute. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Tap the 5 minute gap, get a 15-second reaction. This is the confirmation for me. I already wanted to limit this because of how clear it was that we want to go and take out all-time highs. But I didn't, because this would have actually kind of broke my new rules that I set for myself, where I entry without any confirmation, which I don't like to do. And for me here, I have everything that I need. Like if we are truly bearish, we should not revisit this area kind of again with this crazy displacement of the 5 minute. So I'm pretty sure this is a good setup. This is a good setup. This is what we are looking for. That's amazing. I think that's amazing. We got the previous thing right here. This would be a Oh yeah, 2R trade, 2R, risking like 900, 850. So this would bring us up a lot. This is all-time highs, but there is a 30,000 psychological level. So I'm of course gonna target the 30k psychological level, because it is. I mean, if you're gonna take out all-time highs, we should take out the psychological level. Okay, we took out the internal highs, so I'm moving my stop to break even now. I don't know. It's so weird. I can't see shit. Like I gotta use trading view. So we are break even now. I'm gonna give myself an extra point, because like fees and everything, you know. And also I'm just gonna set an alert right here because the delayed data is so annoying. Not the delayed data, but how slow TradingView actually is. It updates every 5 seconds, so I actually don't know whether we take out this or not. Maybe we take it out right now, and I don't want to switch to TradeAway the whole time. So if you get an alert on the bottom left right here, this would be. By the way, peep the new haircut. How do you like it, guys? So I tried, you know, the mod cut, the messy mod cut everywhere, boom, 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 curls. I tried that right here. I also tried a slick back, and now I kind of found a mix between those two. I kind of fuck with it. So let's see how it goes. Boom. Please go higher now. Don't play with my ears. Don't play with me, boy. Don't play with me, boy. Please don't play with me, boy. There's no need to go back to my entry. We didn't. Wait. We didn't even take out the internal high, right? Yeah, we didn't. But I don't care. This is enough. There is a gap. There's an ordered block that could protect us. There's all-time highs so close. So yeah, if you take out all-time highs, I'm gonna start trailing my stop loss pretty aggressively. Like to this internal low as well. Let's see if you're gonna take this shit out. Let's see. We pump right here. I'm gonna start trailing. I'm actually gonna take everything out at all-time highs. Like I'm not a Jew. I'm not trying to be Jewish here. I don't want to risk anything, bro, guys. Like who knows? Who knows? Maybe you're gonna literally edge that shit. Maybe we can go and pump to like 31,000 in today, you know, which is of course not possible. Like 30,200. Of course, everything's possible. And maybe we got stopped out break even. So I'm just gonna wait, bro. I'm just gonna wait and take my shit at all-time highs. Just hope and the normal Nasdaq didn't take out. Okay, we didn't. There's no way we're gonna edge the all-time highs twice, right? Because we did it right here, then we did it right here, right here, right here, right here, 4 times all-time highs edging. I don't think so. Come on! Nice. Nice. Fire. W comeback. Good way to start the week. This would have been 30k, 30,000 mark. Ended up making 1.7k today. So we are still halfway past the account. So this is fine without even risking the full account because I got a 1k daily loss limit. I didn't even risk for the 1 full k, and I didn't even hold to the 30,000 that I wanted to. But all glory to God, we are able to literally wait for everything that I needed. I told y'all I need a 5-minute displacement. I'm not gonna jump the gun early. Boom, waited for that. I told y'all I need a confirmation, so I didn't enter a limit on here. Boom, waited for that. Everything's perfect, guys. Everything's perfect. And now we are instantly rejecting all-time highs. Probably gonna go to 30k. But yeah, let's see. I just want to know whether we would. Yeah, okay, we would have instantly pumped to 30k. But yeah, I'm just gonna say to the Discord, this is what we took, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad this worked out. Just for the confidence, I don't really care about anything, but just for the confidence that I'm still able to follow my rules, and when I follow my rules, I'm able to get something in return. This feels really good, and I hope at least this video motivates some of y'all to do what you're supposed to do, especially in trading. And yeah, W way to start off the week. Really, really easy. We put in SMT, literally everything that I wanted to see. You can go rewatch this video if you want to know what this trade was based on. But yeah, W, don't get too hyped. Stay humble. And we'll see us tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.